Question number 18. Jaini and Anya are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31/3/16 was as under. Liability side, capital, Jaini and Anya 70, 56,000. General reserve, investment reserve, workman profit sharing fund, creditors, building, machinery, investment, debtors less bad debt reserve and bank. Now, here they are told that Priyanka will bring 14,000 as goodwill in cash. This goodwill means premium of goodwill. Afterwards, Priyanka will bring her capital equal to 20% of a new capital. First of all, we have to find here sacrificing ratio. For sacrificing ratio, old ratio 3:2 and new ratio 2:2:1. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Jaini's old share is 3/5 and new share is 2/5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Anya 2/5 minus 2/5 0 means no sacrifice or no gain. Now this goodwill sacrificing ratio we have to use to distribute the premium of goodwill in cash. Afterwards, provision for bad debt is not required. Now in balance sheet they have given bad debt reserve 2,800, 2,800. So provision for bad debt reserve is not required. So revaluation account debit side we have to write by bad debt reserve 2,800. And as it is told that provision of bad debt reserve is not required, so there is no need of writing bad debt reserve on asset side of balance sheet. We have to write just debtors 56,000. Second, machinery is to be reduced by 10%. Whenever it is increase in the amount of assets, we have to write on credit side, and decrease in the amount of any asset we have to write on debit side. Here they are told the value of machinery is reduced by 10%. So 17,500, 10% of that is 1,750. On machinery side, on balance sheet asset side, machinery account 17,500 minus 1,700, it will be 15,750. Afterwards, market value of building is 70,000. Here in balance sheet it is given 42,000, but in adjustment it is written that market value is 70,000. So it is increased by 28,000, by building account 28,000, and in balance sheet asset side we have to write building 70,000. Market value of investment is 68,950. And in balance sheet it is given 63,000. So here also investment amount is increased by 5,950, and that we have to write on asset side investment 68,950. Total capital of old partners Jaini and Anya after all adjustment will be maintained in the relative ratio. Now here we have finished about the revaluation account. All the adjustments are finished. In revaluation account, we have to write only increase or decrease of any assets. So total of credit side is 36,750. From that, if we will minus 1,750, we will get 35,000. That 35,000 will be distributed among old partners in their old ratio, that is 3:2. So Jaini's revaluation account profit will get 21,000 and about Anya is 14,000. After that, in balance sheet is given bank, so we have to prepare here bank account. Before that, we have to prepare here partners capital account, particular Jaini, Anya, Priyanka, particular Jaini, Anya and Priyanka. By balance brought down, this amount is given in balance sheet, that is 70,000 and 56,000. Afterward, general reserve. Total general reserve is 8,400. That we have distributed among old ratio, that is 3:2, 5,040 and 3,360. Investment reserve is 4,200 in the ratio of 3:2, that's 2,250. sorry 2520 and 1680. Premium of goodwill. Here Priyanka bring 14,000 as goodwill in cash. So this is a premium of goodwill. But here Jenny is a person you have sacrificed. Therefore whole goodwill will be received by Jenny. Afterwards revaluation account 21,000 and 14,000. Okay. Now it is the last point. They have told that total capital of the old partners Jenny and Anya. And second point that Priyanka will bring 20% of new total capital. So here opening capital 70,000, 56,000, general use of 5,000, 40, 3,000, 360, whichever we have found here. Investment reserve 2,520, 1,680, premium of goodwill 1,400 and revaluation account 21,000, 14,000. Total of this is 1,87,600. Now in second point they have told that Priyanka will bring 20% of total capital. So total capital is 1,87,600 multiplied by 20 upon 100. It will be 37,520. Now they have told that they have to maintain the capital of old partners in their new ratio. So here 1,87,600 multiplied by 2 by 4. It will be 93,800. 1,87,600 multiplied by 2 by 4, that is 93,800. Okay. New ratio is 2:1. So we have to see new ratio of only old partners, that is Jenny and Anya. So here we have maintained the capital by 93,800 and 93,800. Total of this side is 1,12,560. Total of this side is 1,12,560. So your difference 1,12,560 minus 93,800, difference is 18,760. Afterwards here 93,800 is there. From there if we minus this, we will get balance of 18,760. And Priyanka will bring 37,500 as a cash. 37,500. Now bank account. In balance sheet is given 39,200. Priyanka is going to bring capital of 37,520. Premium of goodwill is 14,000. Here Anya's capital we have got 18,760. And here Jenny's capital is also 18,760. Okay. The total of this side is 1,09,480. So balance will be 90,720. This balance we have to take on balance sheet asset side 90,720. Here these all the information we have done at the time of preparing revaluation account. Now capital of Jenny is 93,800, 93,800 and 37,520. Workman profit sharing fund 31,500. Creditors is 44,800. So total of both sides is 3,01,420. 3,01,420.